a fan. Is Dad mad? Cat. A cat in a mouth. Rat.
Again? Very good. But you need to repeat this last sentence.
Okay. A cat and a rat.
Good job.
A hat is on the mat.
Very good. Louder.
The cap is on the bat.
Good job.
Is the cat on the ham? A dad in a van. Dad in a van. A dad in a bag. A dad in a fan. Is Dad mad? A cat and a rat. A cat and a rat. And a cat and a rat on a mat.
Very good. Louder.
Is the rat fat? It's fat. The hat is on the man. The cap is on the bat. Is the cat on the ham? That cat and cat. This is rat. This is cat.
Can I see cat? Hi, cat.
This is pet. Rat, cat, and pat sat. Rat and cat sat on a mat. Rat and cat sat in a hat. Rat and cat sat on cats.
The end.
The
Very
end.
good.
I'm just kidding.
Where is this word? Match it with the photo.